Okay, guys, it'd be great if I started off in the right direction. Okay, guys, so I'm starting off with the Jackie Aina palette for this look. Actually, I'm going to try to do the whole look with this palette. It's very pretty, as you can see, and I feel like I can create a whole look with this. So the first thing I'm going to do for a transition shade, I'm going to go dip my brush into Ginger. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab. This is in JH33. So I'm gonna just put that into my crease just to blend out everything. I'm getting a lot of fallout in the palette, just a lot of kickback, but it's I have a very Anastasia palette to give me kickback too, so it's not the end of the world. Okay, that blends out really nice. It's like you can even barely see it on my skin. Okay, I'm gonna use the Anastasia brush, which I never use, child. I'm gonna dip into Pinker, and we're just gonna go over that transition shade, just to warm it up. It's like it didn't even pick up any color. Okay, there we go. There's some color showing up. Its color is called Pinker, but it's kind of showing up like purpley. Am I tripping? In the camera, it probably looks pink to you, but to me, it looks kind of purple. I don't know. It's kind of weird. All right. Okay. I see why I don't use this brush. This blending is terrible. Ooh, it's terrible. I don't like this at all. No. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into Wigglies, this red shimmer right here. I'm trying to decide if I should use like a mixing, like wet my brush. I'm trying to decide if I want to wet my brush first or just put it on dry. I'm gonna try it dry, and if I need to, I'll mix it. Sometimes these shadows act real funny when you mix water in your brush. Sometimes, I don't know, the product kind of like molds together and then you can't really use it. But I'm going on with, this is the Morphe M167 brush, and I'm just going to place that right. Ooh, Chile. I may not have needed a base or to mix it with anything. Okay. Wow. I'm kind of patting and sweeping at the same time because I want the color to be packed on there. Okay. Okay, Wigglies. I see you. I think I'm going to raise it up and just bring it up a little higher. A little higher than my actual eyelid. This is kind of like a cut crease, but not really. Because the steps to create a cut crease is a lot of hard work, girl. I'm trying to decide if I want to blend this out or make it... I don't know. Child, I don't know. Okay, I kind of like it kind of blended out and not so cut crease-ish. I kind of like blending it out. Even though this is like the wrong brush to do it with. It has the product on it, which I'm cool with. So I kind of like it. I might just wing it out. Okay. Now let's go into a deeper color and deepen this up a little bit. I'm going to go into Credit and just put that up in my crease a little bit. I'm just going to warm it up right here. Okay, so I'm taking credit and just kind of warming up my outer V, kind of. I'm kind of doing this backwards than when I usually do it, but it doesn't matter to me. I'm going to use this e.l.f. makeup misting set and spray my e.l.f. brush. And I'm going to go into Zam and put that in my inner corner. Okay, and I'm gonna take Zam and kind of bring it up and bring it up some into my crease. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Okay, now I'm going to dust off all of the setting powder because I'm done. Put on my lashes and line my lids, and I will be back. Okay, while my lace is melting under my do-rag, I'm just gonna put on some mascara. Under. There we go. And I also want to add some color under my lashes. Okay, let's figure out what I want to do with that. I'm going to use this brush here from the Morphe 25L palette. This is the M326. I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette in this red right here and just sweep that under my eyes. I'm gonna go into like this deep brown right here, kind of deepen it up on the outside. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay guys, this is the finished look with the Jackie Aina palette. I didn't do the whole, I mean I did most of the palette. Only part that I didn't use was under my eye, but the rest of the palette was, the rest of the look was all because of the Jackie Aina palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little review and tutorial. I really enjoy Wiggley's. I'm glad I didn't have to like spray it to get any color to pop or stay on my lid. All I did was just use my brush, as you saw, and it just had this wonderful stay power. Beautiful. I really like Zam. I would love to do like an all over Zam look. That would be really pretty. Yeah, it really looked really nice. Only thing I'm mad about is I don't have like a highlight shade I could put like under my brow per se in this palette. Some would say trust issues. I don't really want a yellow, shimmery yellow. Some people could say I could use Soleil. It's just too gold for me. I just want something light. That's the only thing I wish it had, was something I could use under my brow bone. But other than that, that's my review of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys have any questions, or I didn't answer anything in this video that you had a question on or whatever, just leave it in the comment section below and I will reach back out to you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time for my next video. Bye guys.